Saint Martin, French, Sint Maarten, officially the Collectivity of Saint Martin. Collectivité de Saint-Martin is an overseas collectivity of France in the Caribbean, with a population of 36,286. As of Jan. 2011, on an area of 53.2 square kilometers, 20.5 square miles. It encompasses the northern 60% of the divided island of Sint Maarten, and some neighbouring islets, the largest of which is Île Tintamarre. The southern 40% of the island of Sint Maarten constitutes Sint Maarten, since 2010 a constituent country of the Kingdom of the Netherlands. Before 2007, the French part of Sint Maarten formed a part of the French overseas region and département of Guadeloupe. Sint Maarten is separated from the island of Anguilla by the Anguilla Channel. Its capital is Marigot. Politics and government. Sint Maarten was for many years a French commune, forming part of Guadeloupe, which is an overseas region and département of France. In 2003, the population of the French part of the island voted in favor of secession from Guadeloupe in order to form a separate overseas collectivity, Com. of France. On 9 February 2007, the French Parliament passed a bill granting Com status to both the French part of Saint Martin and, separately, the neighbouring Saint Barthélemy. The new status took effect on 15 July 2007, once the local assemblies were elected, with the second leg of the vote ultimately occurring on 15 July 2007. Saint Martin remains a part of the European Union. The new governance structure befitting an overseas collectivity took effect on 15 July 2007 with the first session of the Territorial Council, French, Conseil Territorial, and the election of Louis Constant Fleming as President of the Territorial Council. On 25 July 2008, Fleming resigned after being sanctioned by the Conseil d'État for 1 year over problems with his 2007 election campaign. On 7 August, Frans Gums was elected as President of the Territorial Council. However, his election was declared invalid on 10 April 2009 and Daniel Gibbs appointed as acting President of the Territorial Council on 14 April 2009. Gums was re-elected on 5 May 2009. Before 2007, Saint Martin was coded as GP Guadeloupe in ISO 3166-1. In October 2007, it received the ISO 3166-1 code MF, Alpha 2 code, MAF, Alpha 3 code, and 663 numeric code. Coat of arms. The coat of arms of the French overseas collectivity Saint Martin features a ship, a palm and a sun, and reads Collectivité de Saint-Martin. The commune that existed until the 22nd of February 2007 used similar arms but with the legend Île de Saint-Martin. Demographics. The French part of the island has a land area of 53.2 square kilometers, 20.5 square miles. A local English-based dialect is spoken in informal situations on both the French and Dutch sides of the island. At the January 2011 French census, the population in the French part of the island was 36,286, up from only 8,072 inhabitants at the 1982 census, which means a population density of 682 inhabitants per square kilometre, 1770 square mi. In 2011, during the 1980s, the population more than tripled. At the time, the collectivity was administered as a part of Guadeloupe economy. The official currency of Saint Martin is the euro, though the US dollar is also widely accepted. Tourism is the main economic activity. INSEE estimated that the total GDP of Saint Martin amounted to €421 million in 1999. $449 million at 1999 exchanges rates. $599 million at October 2007 exchange rates. In that same year, the GDP per capita of Saint Martin was €14,500. $15,500 at 1999 exchanges rates. $20,600 at October 2007 exchange rates, which was 39% lower than the average GDP per capita of metropolitan France in 1999. In comparison, the GDP per capita on the Dutch side of the island, Sint Maarten, was €14,430 in 2004. Education. The collectivity has 7 public preschools, maternelles, and 7 public elementary schools. Preschools: Emile Choisy, Nina Duvally, Eli Gibbs, Quartier d'Orléans 1, Sandy Ground, Hervé Williams 1, Hervé Williams 2. Elementary schools: Grand Case, Eveline Halley, Morno Riley, Quartier d'Orléans 1, Quartier d'Orléans 2, Sandy Ground, Simwan Trot. There are 3 junior high schools, college, and 1 senior high school. Junior highs: Number 1 Des Accords, Number 2 Sualiaga, Number 3 Quartier d'Orléans, Lycée des Isles Nord. Senior high 6th form. Maps. See also: Culture of Saint Martin, History of Saint Martin, List of divided islands. French. Official website of the Collectivity of Saint Martin. Official website of the Tourist Office of Saint Martin. Wikimedia Atlas of Saint Martin, France. Collectivity of Saint Martin Travel Guide from Wikivoyage. Saint Martin. The World Factbook. Central Intelligence Agency.